The 2026 housing market appears calmer than in past years, but it isn't clearly favoring buyers or sellers. Homes are spending longer on the market, signaling slower sales compared to the pandemic surge. Inventory has improved, but still trails pre pandemic levels in many regions. Markets with heavy new construction give buyers more negotiating leverage on terms, but not on prices. Local conditions will shape outcomes more than the national housing forecast in 2026.